Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to generate AI LinkedIn carousels using ReachifyMe. There are two approaches we can take. First, we can create a LinkedIn post and then generate a carousel for it. Alternatively, we can directly generate the carousel. In this video, we'll focus on creating a carousel directly, so let's head over to the carousel section. Here we are in the carousel section. This is where we'll enter the topic for our carousel, and the AI will automatically generate it for us. Let's try typing something like Top 5 AI SEO Tools in 2025. Next, we adjust the number of slides. We'll set the tone to professional, and then hit the Generate button. The AI will generate the content for all 7 slides. While that's happening, we can select an existing design template for carousel. ReachifyMe offers over 100 plus predefined viral templates for LinkedIn carousel. We can choose from these templates by accessing the design option. Here, we have a Select a Template option, along with some filters for layout selection. Let's go with the classic layout and choose a trending design. By clicking on a design, the template will be directly applied, and the AI-generated content will fill the slides, focusing on AI-powered SEO tools in 2025. Now, it's time to check all the slides to ensure the content is ready. It seems all the slides' content is complete, and now you can customize it if needed. There are multiple editing options available for personalization, but we'll cover those in another video. You can download the carousel or save it. Let's go ahead and save it by naming it AI SEO Tools and clicking the Save button. And there you have it! Our carousel is successfully saved and ready to use.